My member is being noisy while playing Call of Duty LOL XD.
Pang pupuntan. Oy, send, 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 send. Ba't ang pogi mo, send? Sheesh! Ayan na, ano siya, Dara, dara, dara.
So, magiging tahimik lang po tayo dito sa laro. Hindi pa tayo mag-iingay.
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas, at kailan pa man.
Sana all songs.
Si may bago na sensi ko. Mula noon, bukas. Yung firing pala.
Po yung ano, nag-gold step. Sayang. Pwede rin yung sabi niya. Line.
Ay, what are you doing in there, you fucking idiot? Leave this in this place. Don't come in here. You shish. Shish. Get out of this. Get out. Get out. Get out. You are not
Pag
belong
mga
in
bumper
here.
ganyan, mataas lumipad ah.
Well, for the protector.
I will protect you, CM. Until I die, I will protect you. I am Arrow. I can
Same
shoot.
here.
Si Miss Pastel. Bakit? Wala siya maglaro par. Nambubuhat siya ng clan. Let's focus to the game. Tara. SG ako. Cause why not, diba? I'm fine. Don't think me. Fuck this life. This fucking charger is so fucking.
Piki dito.
Cheres, kabirab, bap, baps, kabirab, bap, bap. Oy, CM, what happening to you? Hey, come.
Galaman yata kasi kami ito, meron ba?
Wala. Hey, CM, come. Come to me. There. Here, you take that. Mula noon, bukas, kailan pa man. CM, kalalapit CM. Lapit, dali.
Basta ando po, kung oras natin to.
Ay. Ito. Tara. There's an RC on me, oh. I will scan you first. Busang galaw, busing ko to. Busing ko ba, paro? Busing ko ba? Walang boy, busing ko to lahat, boy. Busing ko nga to lahat. Wait for my revenge. There's ABR nga, there's ABR. Careful. Patay si CM, what happened to you, CM?
Hindi mo tinulungan par.
Uy, ba't maramit my fault? It's not my fault. Fuck. It's a bouncing car. Wait for me, CM. I'm coming back to you. I will gonna save you. In the rest of my life, I will sacrifice my life. I will sacrifice my health for you. Just don't die. Sheesh! Wait me.
Hindi pala maging
Hindi pa naman to last eh. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm pro. They're here, run. No, don't chase me. There. Good habitat. Gagawin na pala kayo natin na CM dun, oh. Ikaw, pare. Uy, what happened to CM?
Nagsasabi nito, nandito lang
What
ako.
happened to you, CM? Oh, shish. She's lagging. Go back, CM. Go back. I will rescue you. Go back. I will coming for you. Wait me.
Dito mo ba? Nakapag-arsi ka na, no? Ano?
Siya lang. Sige si Imran. Run as fast as you can. Eh, siya mo to namatay. Hindi, siya na pala to. Madam.
Lagi number 1 yung kasama ko yung CM mo.
Si number 4 pala to, si Madam.
Kasama ko yung ano, yung CM mo. Tatawanan ko din ng CM.
Ay, we. Ba't di ko rinig? Ay, kayong dalawa. Number 1 ka ba? I'm sorry. Why are you flying?
Amats ka
Come
na.
on. So much. Dalo mo sinabi, you're making a story, sa bad habitat.
Dito may gunshot dito.
I will gonna ramp you. Wait,
Baka
I
palit
will
pa.
gonna ramp you. What a flying car. There's a lot of enemies in there. Don't come. Mo, they're shooting at me. Ikaw din. Pag namatay ka dyan, huwag mo kami CM. Batula kami dyan. CM. Takbo kasi ng takbo eh. Don't run. Just stay in your position. There. Come on. Here. What's your gun? You have SMG? You're running. It's not a bad habitat.
Sumagot naman po ako ng happy kayo, ang hindi ko lang nakakasip.
Nice one! What a kill by CM. May CM tuloy, by Sen. Yan. Kasi mo, ano baril mo? SMG to bala, kinetic. Armor.
Unang kalaban na yun.
Come on. Let's get to the zone.
Bigyan mo naman ng ano par.
Kim, sakay. There. Oy, sakay dito. Kala ko ba dikit-dikit? Ba't tumiwalay ka?
Truck, usapan truck. Bisag sa bugin eh. Gawin din mo sakay.
There. Mananagasa lang, walang babaril. Violation yun na, di tayo pumapatay ng tao. Mananagasa lang tayo. Okay? Boom, binangga, hit and run. Yan. Sige, dyan ka. Kala ko ba dikit-dikit, where are you lifting us?
Gusto na ako agad. Ito ako, may kumuha ng truck.
Sa CM. Sige, sa likod ko CM. Ayaw mo sa likod? Sige. Halika na. Tayo na. Samot-saring saya. There's a lot. Ay, lipad. Diba? I'm so good at flying person in the airdrop. Oh, you're floating in the air. Oh, you're floating. Oh, you won. There. Yeah. Boom. Bang. Di ba nakasakay? I'm so good. Rest, prepare your guns. We have to take some RC. Baba, sasaluhin ko, baba. There's enemies in northwest. Northwest 360, 336, 35, 36, 37. There's a gunshots.
Sabi niya, babalik.
Pull.
Balikan after that. Pero, yun nga, pina-attend niya pa rin po ng orientation ng 17.
Kung ito ano yung CM mo sa kanakuha mo par.
Ha?
Ito na sa'yo.
Bagay, tarantado talaga akong bata, par.
Dito lang.
May kinetic ka na, par. Meron na pala kinetic. At ano, northwest 340. There's a two of them nakapump, tsaka per yung isa. Bumaba na. Huwag nyo muna patay, huwag nyo muna barilin. Uy, there's no enemies. Ulo ko!
May mga naka
when you're outside.
Good night.
Inabusan ka lang kasi natutok na ito. Nanghihiper gamit ito, no? PKM.